I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, we have a word problem on ratios and proportions. A cereal mixture contains oats, raisins, and walnuts in the ratio of 7:3:2. If the box contains 320 grams of cereal, what is the weight of raisins in the box? Now we are given mixture of three, so we have oats, raisins, and walnuts, correct? The ratio for each is 7:3:2. And what are we given? We are given the total quantity, right? So we'll write total here. So we are given the total quantity. And the total quantity is 320, right? I'm purposely writing it here. We'll explain you why. What do we need to find? We need to find that if the total quantity is 320, how much is resin in this box? That is what we need to find. So I hope the question is very clear to you. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestion. Now here, since we are given the total quantity, it's a good idea to find total of the ratio itself. So we have oat, raisins, and walnut in the ratio of 7:3:2. So if I add them up, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. We get a total of 12. Since the units are grams, if we have 12 grams, then we have 7 grams of oat, 3 grams of raisins, and 2 grams of walnuts. You understand that? So the question now really becomes that if we have not 12 grams, but 320 grams, then how much resin? Does it make sense to you? Right. So you can pause the video and answer the question now. How do we find that? To find this, we have to always find the scale factor, right? We have to find the scale factor. Scale factor is the ratio of what you need. We need 320 grams. What you have? You have 12, right? Grams cancel out. Ratio, we are working with the same units, correct? So the units cancel out. That is why most of the time we don't even write the units, okay? So we get this as 80/3. So let me use 80/3 itself, right? I could have used decimal C, it is recurring, right? 26.6 recurring, so it's better to use fractions. So the scale factor is 80/3, right? Sometimes you get such a result also. Okay, now what we need to find is how many raisins. So that is to say, to get to this, we need to multiply this by the scale factor, which is 80/3. So get from here to there, we should do the same thing, correct? So what we will do, we'll multiply 3 by 80/3, the scale factor, 80/3. So when you do that, then what happens? 3 divided by 3 is 1, you get 80 as your result. So we have 80, and you can write units grams. Do you see that? So the amount of resin in a box of cereal with 320 grams will be 80 grams, correct? So our answer is, in this case, 80 grams of resin, right? That is how you should actually find the result. I hope the steps are very clear to you and you understand the concept of scale factor. Also remember, if you're dividing by numbers like 3, 6, don't convert them to decimals. Use the fractions as such to get accurate results. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.